Turn off Google Gemini. Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to turn off Google Gemini and switch back to Google Assistant. So if you want to turn off Google Gemini, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. After connecting to Wi-Fi, and you just need to open Google app on the device. And after opening the Google app, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of settings. So scroll down, and if you find the option of Google Gemini, from here you must simply turn it off. If you want to turn it off on your phone, then you just need to go to settings on a device, and from here you just need to search for the app Gemini or Google Gemini. So simply search it and you will find it under the section of apps. So from here you will see the option of manage app if on use. So it is simply turned on, so you just need to turn it off, and you just need to click on the option of three dots and click on the option of uninstall updates to remove it. So if you are able to stop it like this, then that's good. If you are not, you just need to click on the option of force stop at the very bottom, and by clicking on the option of force stop, you'll be able to simply turn off the Google Gemini. So that's it. That's how you can turn off the Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.